What is happening, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, so in your game of Pokemon Go, you may have noticed that if you spin a stop, like I just spun this one, the Appalachian Trail, you may notice that you got a little blue scan the Appalachian Trail AR mapping. I didn't really find much online how to do this, so I had to figure out myself. I wanted to make a video to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so I'm at the location, and I'm gonna show you the location is just this little sign here, right? So what you have to do is you're basically taking a 360 video around whatever the Pokestop is. In this case, it's the Appalachian Trail sign. So I couldn't find it at first. What you have to do is you click on the image, right? Or the upper right-hand corner here to go into, you know, what it actually is. Then if you see the little 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner, you click that and then you click Scan Pokestop. Now it'll tell you kind of what to do, be respectful, yada, yada, yada. Well, then you just start at one side. Go ahead and start it. Now I'm right next to traffic, so I'm gonna hopefully not get myself squished. And you're basically just walking in a circle around it. Now I'm trying to get as steady as possible. You know, I'm walking in grass here. And I'm sure, you know, people will ask you, the first stop I did this on, somebody was like, what are you doing? And I was like, oh, I'm AR scanning. So that's it. I did the whole thing. I'm going to upload now. It's going to hit OK. And that's it. You'll see, I don't know if my video is still going through. Hopefully my voice is. I guess the AR mapping messed it up a little bit. But you'll get the credit, and I haven't seen if they accept it or not, what happened, so I'll get back with you on that. Thanks for watching another day in Rich's life. See you next time.